Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy and I am making soup today. Now I love soup. One of my very favorites when I go out to eat is Olive Garden's chicken and gnocchi. So that's what I'm going to make for you today. I'm going to show you just how to make it. And on this channel, I share delicious recipes every single week. So please subscribe if you have not already, and you will want to hit that notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now let me go over these ingredients with you so that you will know everything that you need to make this delicious chicken and gnocchi soup. You will need some carrots, celery, and onions, and then I am using chicken tenderloins, but you can use chicken breast or chicken thighs, some chicken broth, heavy cream, some spinach, 2 garlic cloves, and then I have some basil and thyme here. This is some fresh basil and I'm just using that up, but you can use dried if you like. And then you will need potato gnocchi. Now these I made and I have kept in my freezer, so I've just pulled them right out of my freezer, but you can also buy them in the grocery store pre-made near the pasta if you prefer. Now I will give you the link right above here for the recipe and how to make potato gnocchi, and I highly recommend that because these are amazing. Okay, to a soup pot, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I have just taken my chicken and I've just cut it into bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to brown all this up. Okay, so now I'm going to add my carrots, celery, and onions. Stirring everything together. Okay, next I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, once your chicken and vegetables have cooked for a while and all the liquid is evaporated out and the vegetables are nice and tender, then we will add our chicken broth. I have filled this chicken broth back up with some water, and I'm just going to add some additional water. And then I'm going to add some salt, about a teaspoon, and some black pepper. Then I'm going to let all this come to a boil. And I'm also going to add my basil and thyme. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And then just stirring, and then just let all this come up to a boil. So my soup has come up to a boil. So now I'm going to add my spinach, which I chopped just a little bit smaller pieces. And that was about 1.5 cups to 2 cups, but it's your preference, however much you want. Then I'm going to add my gnocchi, my potato gnocchi. And this is right out of my freezer, and I'm going to add it directly to the soup. Okay, I'm just going to dump these potato gnocchi right into this soup and let them cook. You'll know they're done when they start to float. It doesn't take them that long. Okay, they are starting to pop up. I really can't tell if you can see it or not, but they're popping up, the gnocchi. See, they're right there. So there, it is ready. But I have one more thing that I want to do. And that is, I want to make this soup just a little bit thicker. So I've got about a half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm just gonna pour that into my soup, stirring it around until it gets nice and thick. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for you all to try this. It is amazing. It is seriously one of my very favorite soups. So creamy and comforting, and these potato gnocchi are like soft little pillows. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Well, I hope that you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go eat my soup. I will see you soon with more recipes.